Get up. I get up at 7 a.m. He got up late today. Sit down. Please sit down. He sat down on the chair. Stand up. Stand up, please. She stood up and left. Wake up. I wake up early. He woke up at 6 a.m. Turn on. Turn on the light. She turned on the TV. Turn off. Turn off the fan. He turned off the TV. Look for. I am looking for my keys. She looked for her phone. Look at. Look at the sky. He looked at the clock. Look up. Look up the word in a dictionary. He looked up the answer online. Give in. I gave in to my mom's request. He didn't want to go but gave in. Come in. Come in, please. She came in and sat down. Go out. I go out every evening. He went out with friends. Break down. My car broke down. The TV broke down yesterday. Break in. A thief broke in last night. Someone tried to break in. Cut off. His call was cut off. They cut off the water. Bring back. Bring back my book. He brought back my phone. Bring up. She brought up a new idea. He brought up the problem. Drop off. I will drop off the kids at school. He dropped off the package. Pick out. Pick out a dress. She picked out a red shirt. Show up. He showed up late. She showed up at the party. Check out. Check out this book. I checked out a new cafe. Check in. We checked in at the hotel. He checked in for his flight. Run out of. We ran out of milk. She ran out of money. Hold up. The traffic held me up. The flight was held up. Hand in. Hand in your homework. He handed in his report. Hand out. The teacher handed out papers. He handed out free samples. Move on. Let's move on to the next topic. She moved on after the breakup. Take in. I need time to take in the news. He took in the lesson. Go back. I will go back home. He went back to school. Go ahead. Go ahead and start. She went ahead with her plan. Call back. I will call you back. She called him back later. Slow down. Slow down. He slowed down while driving. Speed up. Speed up. We are late. She speed up the process. Put up with. I can't put up with the noise. He put up with the delay. Make up. He made up a story. She made up an excuse. Fill in. Fill in your name. He filled in the blanks. Look up to. I look up to my teacher. He looks up to his dad. Get rid of. Get rid of old clothes. She got rid of the trash.